Okay, rice cake machine SYP9502. Titanium Coated Mould for Kyrgyzstan. It's a positioned switch box. Very nice. Okay, the switch box is moved to up position for the convenient adjusting and operation. So temperature 260 and speed 4.7. Thickness 60 and depth of flow is 3.8 as the first setting. Okay. And pressure. Pressure around 150. After check or set up pressure gauge, you have got to close pressure gauge to use longer. That's the emergency button here. And the three solenoid valves to provide electric signal to the machine, and motor and pump. Fan is on all the time when the machine works. This white rice and brown rice needs 50-50%, and feeding plate here. When the feeding plate is fully back, is that proxy sensor. The red light must be on, otherwise you cannot go to the next step. Go forward, it's turn off. Come back fully, it turn on again. There's two springs here, the feeding plate back, and drive motor and gear head here, and upgrade the oil valve here, and check valve and reef valve. The valve is related with the pressure control. Insert the related wrench and clockwise increase pressure, unclockwise decrease pressure. And motor and oil tank. Control box, inverter, 6000 here, SSR, breaker and contactor, so related on PCB, the brain of this machine, and oil tank, and 20 liters of hydraulic oil, all inside, 20 liters, viscosity 36 for 4 seasons. Alright. Very nice. Almost not. Right.